Hi, good day to everyone. Today we are going to start square and square roots.
Suppose a farmer has a square sheet field. One side of a field is a lake, and other side is a mountain, and one more side is a forest. He want to calculate the area of the square field. However, he know the length of one side of the square field. How will he calculate the area of the square field? We already learned about area of a square. Area of a square is equals to side into side. If the length of side of a square is 100 meters and its area is equals to 100 into 100 meters square is equals to 10,000 meters square. If the side of a square is 1 centimeter, its area is equals to 1 into 1 is equals to 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter square. If the side of a square is 2 centimeter, its area is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to 2 square is equals to 4 centimeter square. If the side of a square is 3 centimeters, its area is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 3 square is equals to 9 centimeter square. If the side of a square is 4 centimeters, its area is equals to 4 into 4 is equals to 4 square is equals to 16 centimeter square, so on. By basing on this, we can easily say the definition of a square. A number multiplied with itself is called square. If a is a natural number, then n into n is equals to n square. Here we are going to start our discussion with the rectangle. Its width is 4 units and its length is 8 units. 4 units means it's making 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 units means 8 equal parts. Inside it's making squares means 4 times 8 is equals to 32 square units. Now we are going to make this rectangle into two equal halves, that is 4 by 4. In a square we can say that all sides are equal. So one side is 4 in the sense the other side is also 4. So here 4 into 4 is equals to 16 square units. We can say that 16 is a perfect square. So now we can say that the square root of 16 is 4. Perfect square. Square of a natural number is called perfect square. For example, the square of 2 is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to 4. The square of 3 is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Here we can see 4 and 9 are perfect squares. Numbers between 4 and 9. What are the numbers between 4 and 9? That is 5, 6, 7 and 8 are not perfect squares. Here we can see some squares and perfect squares. 1. Square is 1 into 1 is equals to 1 square. Perfect square is 1. 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 2 square. Perfect square is 4. 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 3 square. Perfect square is 9. 4. 4 into 4 is equals to 4 square. Perfect square is 16. 5. 5 into 5 is equals to 5 square. Perfect square is 25. 6. 6 into 6 is equals to 6 square. Perfect square is 36. 7. 7 into 7 is equals to 7 square. Perfect square is 49. 8. 8 into 8 is equals to 8 square. Perfect square is 64. 9. 9 into 9 is equals to 9 square. Perfect square is 81. 10. 10 into 10 is equals to 10 square. Perfect square is 100. For example, perfect square 25 and a non-perfect square 30. perfect square 25 is equals to 5 square, and root 25 is equals to 5, where 5 is a whole number. And non-perfect square 30, root 30 is approximately 5.48. 5.48 is not a whole number. 5.48 and 5 are nearer values. Root 25 is equals to 5 and root 30 is approximately 5.48. Now we can take these two terms in terms of area. We can say that 25 is a perfect square. It means that 5 by 5. Now we can compare both the areas. So we can see still some more space is left over. So we can say that root 30 is not a perfect square. For example, now we can take 4 by 4 square and 8 by 8 square. 4 times 4 is equals to 16 is equals to 4 square. In the same way, we can see the other square, that is 8 by 8 is equals to 64 is equals to 8 square. Now we can take that root 16 is equals to 4 square. It means that 4, and at the same time root 64 is equals to 8 square. It means that 8. Here we are going to solve some problems under perfect square. Find the smallest number by which the following number must be multiplied to get the perfect square number. Option A 300, option B 18. So first one solution 300. So now we have to do the LCM. LCM in the sense least common multiple. Least number. What is the least number? That's right, 2. So now with 2 we are going to do 2 table 300 how many times? 150 times. So 2 150 times. Now 2 table 75 times. 3 table 25 times. Next least number 5. So 5 table 25 how many times? 5 times. So here we are going to do arranging in the prime factors. So 300 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Here we can see 2 is having a pair and 5 is also having a pair. But see here 3. Here 3 does not have its pair. So 300 should be multiplied by 3 to get the perfect square number. Now we are going to solve the second option, option B 18. So least common multiple. So 2 we have to do the LCM. So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Now we have to arrange these in the prime factors. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Here 3 is having a pair. Here 2 does not have its pair, so 18 should be multiplied by 2 to get the perfect square. One more example under perfect square. Is 90 a perfect square? So by doing LCM, now we are going to find this. 90. What is the least common multiple? 2. Least number is 2. So 2 table 90 how many times? 45 times. 3 table 15 times. 3 table 5 times. Now these we have to arrange in a prime factors. 90 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 3 is having a pair, right? Here 2 and 5 does not have its pair, so 90 is not a perfect square. Here we are going to solve some questions under perfect square and square root, right? Is 18 a perfect square? If not, find the smallest multiple of 18 which is a perfect square. Find the square root of the new number 18. By using least common multiple, now we are going to do this. So 2 table 9s are, 3 table 3 3s are. Now arrange this in a prime factors method. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Here 3 is having a pair. Here 2 does not have its pair, so 18 should be multiplied by 2 to get the perfect square number. So 18 into 2 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into
3. So here we can see 2 is having a pair and 3 is also having pair. So 18 2s are 36. Now square root of 36, 6.